Good morning. Last week I did a video wondering if rabbit urine would kill grass. Well, folks, I'm going to look and see. We've had several days of sun and we've also had some rain. Okay, this is the result. I can see where it has killed some grass. I need to pour it in larger quantities. If you remember, right here is where the pile of pellets were, and I said that's okay. So that way you can tell. But on down through here, there's really not a difference, but there is a slight difference. So it will kill grass. It just needs to be in a larger quantity than what I poured. But folks, with the rabbits that I've got in my barn, that's not going to be a problem. So I'm really glad that I have found something I can do with the rabbit urine. Is it 100%? No. But it's better than using chemicals that can cause cancer on my dog. Did you know that they absorb all the, I don't want to say the brand name, but all the chemicals that people spray in their yards through their feet? That's one of the reasons why there's such an epidemic of cancer in dogs. So I would rather use the natural and not worry about my dog. But anyway, that was a little off topic, but still very important. So if you've got a bunch of rabbit urine, then use it for weed control. Or should I say grass control? Because that's what's under my fence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on that next video.